Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Nervy Specialist. I'm over here with Zach, and he is tack welding on some of the Lippert repair plates for the frames that have cracks in them. And this happens to be on, I believe it's a 2022 Transcend. So as you can see, he's got everything tack welded in place, and then he's going to get ready to go back and weld it. This is after he's already drilled out the holes, filled the cracks, ground those down, ground up the area, and then he's welding it. So I'm going to be quiet and let him go ahead and weld for a second. So I'm going to get out of his way, but basically he's welding underneath the bottom of the plate, welding the plate to the bottom of the I-beam, and then he's going to go around and weld all the way around that plate, and then the two little eye loops that's cut in the plate. This is to reinforce the I-beam to protect it from cracking any further, and to strengthen it up. And then Zach, is this one, are we also going to be doing the solid tube crossbars on it? Okay, cool. And it didn't have anything in the way on the Transcend to do that?
No, everything looks good. I got to clear some foam and stuff out, but other than that, it'll be good.
Very cool. So this is one of the, I think, second or third Transcends that we've found that's had cracked frame I-beams like this. Mostly we've been seeing them on the Imagine, Solitudes, Reflections, and Momentums. So it's just a heads up, something that you want to keep an eye out for. I think he already did this side. Another thing that we did, yeah, he's already done this side. So as you can see here, and I'll try to lighten the video up, he's custom cut that bracket, welded it all in place, all the way around the perimeter, and then he's painted it. So you can tell the difference between here where the paint's not so great. But this unit also got all new leaf springs on it. It got the Dexter Easy Flux kit added to it. And then I believe we did a wool burning pack. I'm not sure if we did brakes or not. Well, we might have, but we put new dust caps on it. So anyway, stay tuned for more. As we keep doing these, we'll kind of post them. If you haven't already checked out our Grand Design RV Owners in the Repair Shop with Dustin, I encourage you to do so. And if you also go on to our YouTube, you'll see that we've probably got now, I don't know, maybe about 70 frame repair videos on there, different stages, different things that we're doing. So, okay, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.